Building referral relationships with other healthcare providers in your community is one of the most important ways you can build and grow your practice without having to rely on constantly spending on paid ads. MD Connection by the Evidence Based Chiropractor is the profession's leading referral building program. We do this by providing hundreds of doctors with everything they need to build relationships. Video modules guide the process from building your target list to executing MD meetings. We also provide all of our members each and every month with personalized marketing research briefs that you can deliver. We go through the 3 pillars of relationship building: case notes, research, and meetings, and you have access to everything you need, including presentations, to ensure that you can drive referral relationships. And when we talk about MD Connection, I want you to know this is about more than just medical doctors. Whether it's an MD, a DO, an ARNP, a midwife, a doula, the real question is who has your ideal patients in their practice. That's who you want to build relationships with. MD Connection gives you all of the tools and resources necessary to be successful building relationships with other healthcare providers in your community. And let's be real, if you're not reaching out to other healthcare providers, you're only touching 15% or less of your community. Reaching out to other healthcare providers gives you access to those 85% of people who may not choose to come into a chiropractor unless referred by their trusted provider. MD Connection, it's here for you right now. We made it super easy to get started, and I cannot wait to hear your results building relationships with other healthcare providers.